Hey guys, welcome to Pepcoding. Today we are going to start another topic, bit manipulation. This is a new topic of level up. Let's see what it is. I assume that you all know basic operations and or XOR, one's complement, two's complement, left shift, right shift. Even if you don't, I will just recap them in the question whenever I would need to tell you the operation that I would be using. I'll tell you what it does. So basically in this question we need to perform four functions. Okay. First function, we would be given an integer I, and at ith position, we need to set the bit. At jth position, we need to unset it. At kth position, toggle it, and at mth position, we need to find if it is on or off. So four functions would be called function 1, int n comma I. Four functions m k k. Function 2 3 4. Okay. So we'll see what we have to do in function 1, function 2, function 3. So let's first come to function. Yeah. So basically, suppose I am given a bit, a number which has something like this bit. All of these are zeros. What I need to do is I need to go to ith position and set the bit. That is, I don't care if it is 1 or 0. I need to make it 1. So suppose this is the bit that I need to make. First, I'll create a mask. Okay, I'll tell you what is mask and how it is created. First of all, tell me one thing. If I do or operation we know for true it gives always true if one of them is true, and for false it will give me the answer itself. Suppose A or false, it will always give me A. If A is false, I'll get false. If A is true, I'll get true. So if I do it or with 1, if I do it or with 1, then I'll always get 1. And if I do OR of other digits with 0, I'll get the digit itself. So I know that even if this was 0, here at the end of the day I'll be getting 1 and other digits would be as it is. All zeros, all zeros. All. So how am I supposed to get this answer? So let's call this as mask. Let me erase down. Let's call this number as mask. This is my mask. Okay. So how is my mask coming? Here comes the concept of left shift and right shift. Suppose this is a number and I need to, here are all zeros, I need to left shift it. So at the from the end, here are zeros, left shift this number by say, left shift it by say 2. I'll add 2 in the left in here if I'm left shifting 2 at the least significant bit, and remove 2 zeros from here, drop 2 digits from here, no matter 0 or 1, I'll drop them. For right shift, I'll shift it to right. What will I do? I'll simply remove 2 digits from here and add 2 digits here. But what will be those 2 digits? That completely depends on my last digit. If it is 1, then I'll simply add 1 there. If it's 0, I'll simply add 0. Suppose the number was negative. Suppose number was negative. So here would be last digit would be 1, because this signifies that the number is negative. This is for signed and unsigned number. Okay. So here I'll add 1. If it was a positive number, then I would be adding 2 zeros. If I am a quite a fussy person that I want to add 0 only, then there is an operation called triple right shift. This will always add zeros at the end. Okay, cool. So here you can see that here are 3 zeros. So if I take 1 and left shift it, here are all zeros, left shift it by 1. Then here I'll get 1 0, left shift by 2, one more 0. Similarly, if I left shift it by 3, I'll get 1, 3 zeros, rest all would be 0. So my mask will come by simply left shifting 1 by I to get to ith digit. This is 0th digit, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. I was 3, so I left shift by 3, so I'll get here 3 zeros would be added because index is 0 based. If we take index 1 based, then I would be doing it by I minus 1. Simple. So let's create a mask and simply do the OR operation and print the result. Let's do that. Let me make function 1. Int function 1 pass int n comma int I. This will do the work. Create a mask. This would be n left shift I and simply see out. Okay, always use brackets whenever you are performing binary operation because these has least precedency and we don't need to uh, do the arithmetic operations or any other operations before them. So if you want to do binary operations, always keep a habit of using these brackets. So n or mask, this will give me my result endl. Okay, this function is of void type. We are printing, we are not returning anything. So now what? Now I'll simply make 4 functions. Function 1, function 2, function 3 and function 4. Here also, here m was used, here k was used, and here j was used. Here also let's change. I would be using mask in every question, so that's why I just copy pasted it. I'll tell you how. Even if I won't, then we can change it anytime. But so that error don't come, I am using this. Let me just run this and show you. For first function, I will get the answer. Okay, some error in line 23. Let's figure it out. Okay, you have used int yeah, let me show you. I guess server is slow. Okay, answer is coming wrong. Let me check it out. N or mask left shift with I N I J K int n in mask left shift okay, by mistake I have used n. I needed to move 1 for mask. Sorry guys. T57 got the answer. What was the answer that we needed to get? It was 57 only. Next answer should be 49. We'll see how we'll get it. So we need to unset. Let's see how to unset it. Take the same number. Now you know left shift, right shift. Take the mask. Why are we taking mask in every problem? We are taking the mask because we need to perform the task on that particular digit only. So let's go to that digit and then see what do we need to do. Okay, so we reached here but by taking mask. Now suppose we need to unset it. Even if it's 0 or 1, we need to make it 0. Okay, so how we'll make it 0? It's easy guys. If you remember AND operation, if we do AND of any number with false, we'll always get it false. So that's for sure here must be 0. And if we do AND of operation with true, I'll always get the answer itself. If A and true, if A is false, then false and true will give me false. That is A. If A is true, false, true and see A. What I am saying is A and true. Here we know that 0 is false and 1 is true. So A and true always gives me A. How? See, if it's false, then false and true gives me false. If it's true, true and true gives me true. So here A and true. True it's and with true. True is 1. So I'll get here 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, and so on. If I do AND. But how will I get this mask? My mask was this. But you can see instead of 1 now I have 0, and where I was having 0 now I have there 1. So this is called 1's complement. If I do the 1's complement of my mask, I'll get this. This is called 1's complement. So let's see. Change nothing in function 2, simply make it 1's complement. Even for 1's complement I am using this operation so that I don't get stuck anywhere, and perform AND operation here. Let's see. I got 49. In third answer also I need to get 49. Let's see how. So it is saying that need to toggle the digit. If it's say if my digit is already 0, I need to make it 1, and if it is 1, then we make it 0. Okay, so let's go and take the mask. This would be a mask. We can convert it in 0 1 accordingly. Now tell me one thing, what is XOR operation? XOR operation that we are going to use here is basically when we do XOR of same digits. If I do XOR of 1 with 1, I'll get 1. If I do XOR of 1 with 0, and when the digits are different or 0 and 1, I'll always get it 1. Here I'll get it 0. If digits are same, I'll get 0. If digits are different, I get 1. This is the truth table. 1 and 1, I'll get 0. 1 0 1, 0 1 1, and for 0 0 again 0, because they are same. So if I need to get my answer as, suppose say let I take XOR of 0 with 0, I'll get it, see these two cases, 1 2. When I'm taking XOR of 0 with 0, I'll get 0, and when I'm taking XOR of 0 with 1, I get 1. So I will get digit itself if I take a XOR of the same digit. But see, if I take XOR of 1, let me show it with different color. If I take XOR of 1 with any number, then I get its opposite number. If I take XOR of 1 with 0, it will become 1. If I take XOR of 1 with 1, it will become 0. So basically, I'll take XOR of this mask with the answer. Okay. So simply print the XOR. Let's see the answer. It should come 49. See, it is 49. And final answer is true or false. If my bit is set, then I need to, if it is on or set, one on same thing. If it is 1, then I need to print true, else I need to print false. So let's see. Okay, this is my mask. If this is 0, then I need to print what? I need to print false. If it is 1, I need to print true. So guys, if I take AND operation of this mask, then for zeros, I always get 0 if I'm taking AND. So everything would here be 0 and 0. And if I take AND of 1 with the any digit, it will be digit itself. So if it is 1, then 1 and 0 would be 0. If it was 1, then my answer would be 1 and 1 1. So if it is 0, the final answer would be 0 because all digits are 0 now. If it's 1, it would be 1 and 0 0 0 something. So it would be a something non-zero. So if it is not equal to 0, if my answer is here in this case, it's 1 8, it is coming 8. If it is something not 0, then we'll print true. If the answer is 0, we'll print false. So simple, one if condition and my work is done. So here, if n mask n and my mask is equal to 0, in that case I'll see out true, else I'll see out false. False. Job is done. Run the code. It is correct. Submit it. Is what terribly wrong. Okay, yeah. Not equal to 0. Yeah, now it's true. Earlier it was coming false and I said it is right. Let's go. Without even checking output here. Sorry guys. Small blunder. When digit is 0, then that means it is unset. It should be 0. If it is something non-zero, then it will be true. Okay. So it is submitted. I hope you understood the bits manipulation and the code was clear to you. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Pepcoding.